Hello, my name is Peter Buhl Jensen. I'm the CEO of CHOSA. I want to give you an update on, most important is the recent meeting in Barcelona, the ESMO. This is the European Society of Medical Oncology, held its annual meeting there, and there were like 15,000 cancer doctors and other specialists in the field. Of course, at such a meeting, there are several smaller meetings, but there are also what we call presidential meetings. And there were two such presidential meetings. The last was with three studies that sort of are changing the way we treat cancer patients. The first one was on radiation of breast cancer patients, not something that has an impact on our platinum predictor, but the two following were one in breast cancer and one in bladder cancer, both in early cases, where platinum again has shown its pivotal, is very important part of modern therapy. So we are using platinum more than ever, and the reason that they sort of in new success is that there is a synergy with the immune therapies. So in the early breast cancer, platinum was used with a immune therapy product and showing unprecedented good results in early treatment. And the same was actually shown with bladder cancer. These two results were published, these two studies were published the next day in the most reputable international medical journal, New England Journal of Medicine, just sort of emphasizing how this is orchestrated, but also how important it is. So platinum is important, and you can see the problem that we address is that platinum doesn't always work, and that means that we have a problem giving platinum, which is quite toxic, either carboplatinum or cisplatinum is toxic, and if it doesn't work, it really doesn't help the patient. And you could say typically half of the patients benefit. It depends on the cancer type. You may remember how platinum cisplatinum came in and revolutionized the treatment of testicular cancer, because 90% of patients with testicular cancer are actually cured, and platinum is a key component here. However, sort of on a general, like in lung cancer and other cancers, the typical is that one half of the patients benefit. So if we can identify who will benefit and who will not benefit, we can guide to better treatments and also to better survival, meaning that there are so many other treatment options today that of course you shouldn't have platinum if you don't benefit from it. So we have been focusing on getting this discussion out with key opinion leaders. Key opinion leaders are the leading experts within a typical cancer field. They're the ones that are sort of holding those presidential presentations and so on. We are working with key opinion leaders in lung, in breast cancer, in bladder cancer, and in other cancers. And the field, so what is being conveyed to us is that platinum is as important as we know, but also that if CHOSA can develop a response predictor that can delineate who should have platinum and who should not, we can cure more patients. So there's a lot of support from our key opinion leaders. And I'm of course happy to now also announce, I know that you've seen it, but you may have seen it, but Professor Fred Hirsch is joining on the CHOSA board. Fred Hirsch used to be is the CEO of another organization called International Association for the Study of Lung Cancer. This is a big organization, also with probably 15,000 members working within the field of lung cancer. And Fred has been the CEO of that organization. He's one of the most renowned and also you could say best connected lung cancer doctors in the world. Fred is working as professor in thoracic oncology at Mount Sinai in New York and is joining our efforts to bring CHOSA forward. So I'm very happy about that. We see also, in addition to working with key opinion leaders, of course, the goal is to get into a partnership, someone who can bring our product out to the patients together with immunotherapy or in a product Lymphocyst. We see that this needs a, you can say, multifaceted approach, and we have therefore also now included in our team some students. We have students from the business school and also from law school, helping us to sort of reach out to partners and helping us to use the most modern ways of doing these things. So I think we are creating good value for patients now and also for CHOSA shareholder. Thank you.